Hello, welcome to our next lesson, multiplying using arrays. This is chapter 9, lesson 3. So in this lesson, we're going to use arrays to help us multiply numbers that are bigger than our memorized multiplication facts. So in the first question here, we have a game board. How many spaces are on this 8 by 12 game board? So we're going to break this game board into two pieces. Two pieces where we actually know the facts. We have them memorized. So I'm going to use my highlighter and I'm going to make 8 rows, which is down. That's 8 rows right there, of 10. So I'm going to go across 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's one row of 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 rows of 10. So here I have broken up my game board into two smaller sections. So the yellow section is 8 times 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 8 times 10. So that equals 80. The remaining portion of the game board is, again, it is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 1, 2. 2 columns. 8 rows with 2 in each row. So that's 8 times 2, which is 16. So now I just have to add my two sections together. So 80 and 16 makes 96. So that means, if I go back to my question, 8 times 12 equals 96. That's how many spaces are on this game board. So let's look at a similar question. Instead of a word problem, we're just going to break it down into numbers. So we have an array here, that's what these are called, and it's already broken up for us. So the red section, we had to figure out what are we multiplying. The whole section all together, okay, the whole array is 5 times 14. The red section is 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to put a 6 right here, 5 times 6. And the blue section is 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's our two smaller sections. So we're going to bring this down and multiply it. So I'm going to say 5 times 14 equals this answer. 5 times 6 is 30. Plus this answer, 5 times 8 is 40. So one more step. 5 times 14, which is the entire array, is equal to 30 plus 40, which is 70. Okay? So again, that's similar to the question we did first, except instead of a word problem, it's just numbers. So let's look at another example. We have another array here broken up for us in two sections. So the entire array is 6 times 12. 6 rows, 12 in each row. So the red section is 6 rows of 10. So if you just count, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are in each row of the red section. So then we had to fill in the blank here, 6 times what for the blue section? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 1, 2. 2 in each row for the blue section. So let's bring down to do our answers. So 6 times 12 is equal to 6 times 10, which is 60, plus 6 times 2, which is 12. And then we add those together to get 72. So far we've had our array and we've tried to create equations to figure out how many spaces are in that array. Let's go backwards. Let's start with an equation and make an array. So for this equation here, we have 3 times 17. So we know there are going to be 3 rows in the array, and there's going to be 17 across the array. So let's start just by drawing that. 1, 2, 3. Those are our 3 rows. And 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we're going to just follow our lines carefully to construct this array. Okay. This would be a lot easier to do on grid paper instead of dotted paper. But I don't have that on this app, so we'll do it with this. All right. So there's 3 times 17. But now we want to break it into 2 sections that I already know the facts. So one easy fact that I know is 3 times 10. I know that's in there because 10 is less than 17. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 times 10 would be this section here. 3 rows with 10 in each row. And the other section is again 3 rows with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in each row. So those are my 2 smaller sections. So I'm going to write down 3 times 17 equals the yellow array, which is 3 times 10, plus the blue array, which is 3 times 7. So now I'm going to write that down again, but I'm going to do the products. 3 times 10 is 30, plus 3 times 7 is 21. And finally, I'm going to add those 2 products together. 30 plus 21 is 51. So that means the answer to 3 times 17 is 51. This can be a little bit complicated to learn at first, but rewatch the video if you need to, and you can always let me know if you have any questions.